ways to articulate the feeling I'm going through. I just can't say I don't love you, 'cause I love you. Yeah, it's
We need a better plan. And quick. And what are you doing? Okay.
You know what I'm thinking, see it in your eyes. You hate that you want me, hate it when you cry. You're scared to be lonely,